Let's make crispy and flavorful rohu fish fry. Start by taking thoroughly washed pieces of fresh rohu fish. Cut the lemon into the half. In a bowl, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon, add Kashmiri red chili powder, dry ginger powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, fish masala, regular red chili powder, chopped curry leaves, turmeric and salt. Mix everything well with a splash of water to form a thick paste. Coat this spice mixture evenly on each fish piece as shown. Let it marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes. This helps the masala stick to the fish while frying. Now heat the tawa on a medium flame and add mustard oil. Let it heat until it is nice and smoky. Gently place the fish pieces and fry them on a medium flame. Remember, cooking on the high flame may burn the masala while leaving the fish undercooked. Once fried, garnish the fish with freshly chopped onion for an extra layer of flavor. And there you have it, perfectly fried rohu fish. Pair it as a side dish with pokhada or steamed white rice with dal. Enjoy this simple and delicious recipe at home.